You understand English when you listen, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. You feel slow, nervous, and frustrated. This is not because you're bad at English. It's because no one taught you the right skill.
In the next minutes, we won't motivate you. We will give you a real system. One daily listening skill that directly fixes your speaking.
Most learners think speaking is the problem, so they force themselves to talk. They practice sentences alone. They repeat dialogues. But fluency never comes.
Because the real problem is before speaking. It's how your brain listens. If listening is weak, speaking will always be weak. Fluency is built from listening first.
The missing skill is not listening more. It's listening actively for meaning. Not words, not grammar, meaning.
Fluent speakers don't hear sentences, they hear ideas, they hear intention, they hear emotion. That's why they respond fast.
Most learners translate in their head. English to native language to answer. This creates delay. Delay creates fear. Fear kills fluency.
Fluency needs speed. Speed comes from direct understanding. No translation, just meaning. This is what we train today.
Now listen carefully. This is the system. Only 3 steps. Simple but powerful. Do this daily.
Step 1. What to listen to. Step 2. How to listen. Step 3. What not to do. Miss one step and results slow down.
Do not listen to random English. Do not listen to news first. Choose real conversations, podcasts, interviews.
Why? Because real English has rhythm, natural pauses, real reactions. This trains your brain correctly.
Listen for 10 minutes only. No subtitles, no writing, no repeating, just focus.
Ask one question while listening. What is the speaker trying to say? Not, what word is this? Meaning first. Always meaning.
Do not pause every sentence. Do not translate. Do not analyze grammar. Do not chase perfection. This is not study time.
This is brain training time. You are teaching your mind speed, connection, automatic understanding. This is how fluency grows.
You hear, I was about to call you. Don't translate. Just feel the idea. Something almost happened. That's enough.
If you understood that feeling, your brain succeeded. Words don't matter. Grammar doesn't matter. Meaning matters.
Your brain learns by patterns, not rules, not explanations, patterns of meaning, patterns of sound.
This is how children learn. This is how natives stay fluent. And this is how adults must relearn. There is no shortcut. But this is the fastest way.
After 1 week, you respond faster. After 2 weeks, you hesitate less. After 1 month, you feel different.
Not perfect, but natural. And natural English is more powerful than perfect English.
Many learners quit too early. They say, I didn't understand everything. That's normal. You're not supposed to. Understanding 60% is success.
If you wait for 100%, you'll never be fluent. Fluency grows in uncertainty. Stay uncomfortable. That's growth.
1 podcast episode, 10 minutes, once a day, no more. Consistency beats intensity.
Do this for 30 days. No changing methods, no mixing techniques, just this system. Then judge the result.
You don't need more grammar. You don't need more vocabulary. You need a faster brain. Listening builds that brain. Speaking will follow.
Without this skill, fluency stays a dream. With it, fluency becomes automatic. This is not motivation, it's method.
This is Real Life English Hub. We don't teach English to memorize, we teach English to use. If this helped you, stay with us. Your fluency starts with listening.
Train your listening daily. Trust the process, and let English come naturally. Subscribe for Real Life English. See you in the next episode.